And so I came to the picture,
Right.
and I wanted to hear him sing. When I heard him sing, I got really, really inspired. So, bata pa lang ako, idol ko na siya.
Mas matanda kaya yun. No, but it was really cool because when he came in, parang no one at the time was singing in the school, and then Chris Lawrence comes in. Oh, may magaling daw kumanta, Chris Lawrence. Like, this guy can't sing. He can't sing. No way. And then I heard him in the talent show. My gosh, ang galing. He was singing these high notes that I couldn't even sing. I was like, wow.
Yeah, I was a sophomore, and JR was a junior, and I think I sang Usher Nice and Slow, and you sang an original song with Mark Padilla on the piano.
Yeah.
And guess who ended up winning, guys? Guess who ended up winning, guys?
Yeah, JR. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Hindi